to the historic Metropolitan Theater, a jewel of our nation's cultural heritage and a fitting stage for an extraordinary celebration of creative unity. To witness this magnificent youth of ASEAN bring the region's foremost epic stories to life through the Philippine hosting of the BOAPA Best of ASEAN Performing Arts. Under the theme, Navigating Cultural Currents, this year's program aims to foster intercultural understanding by reimagining and honoring our shared regional heritage through the enduring epic of the Ramayana. Celebrate our collective identity through dynamic, blended expressions of traditional and contemporary music, dance and theater, and cultivate lifelong professional and personal bonds among ASEAN youth as they exchange artistic knowledge and collaboration. Nurturing the talent of today's youth is an investment in the future of our regional community. When we empower young artists to share their stories and honor their roots, we ensure that our diverse traditions remain vibrant for generations to come. This momentous gathering also reflects the vision of the Philippines to stand as a performing arts capital of Southeast Asia, serving as a warm home and dynamic platform where artistic brilliance across the region can gather, flourish, and captivate the world. As the curtain rises tonight, I am excited to see the boundless energy, creativity, and skill of our ASEAN youth light up this stage of the Metropolitan Theater. May tonight's performance inspire all of us and remind us of the powerful currents that bind and connect us together. Maraming salamat po, and please enjoy the show.